is Karen Marge from Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. It's okay, Freedom. It's okay, little birdies. Hello. Freedom, it's okay. You're okay. It's okay, birdie. Hey, everybody, I'm at Feathered Friends Forever. Sorry it's so loud. Hi, birdie. Look how pretty. Guys, everybody, we're at the Greeter Aviary. Hello. Freedom, it's okay. Hi, Freedom. Okay, everybody, I'm going to move back a little bit. This is Karen, and in the travel cage is my pet bird, Freedom. And he has not been around his friends for about 1.5 years. And he used to live at, this is called the Greeter Aviary. So they're just sort of greeting each other. All right, we're signing off live. It's Karen Marge from Hilton Head Island.